So first major snag for towing. The front end is all completely taken apart, and it looks as though the cross member's out of it, probably when they were swapping the engine or rebuilding it. So there's no steering, which probably can work with, but the cross member worries me. The lack of a cross member is kind of a concerning thing. So it does have a rear end. The interior is very good, intact. I think this was a bit of a surprise, the engine bay. A lot of work, although the guy seems to have all the parts for everything. So it should be pretty straightforward. It does turn over. I crank the belt pulley with my hands, and it does spin over. So generally speaking, that's good. There's front end grille parts and stuff. A lot of this trim stuff is available, so we're good on that stuff. Oh, that's what that's for, right there. Anyway, I just wish I could find that front end cross member. That's the big thing right now. Bye.